In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your logged in devices on Facebook. So if you want to find out all of the places that you're logged into on your Facebook account, then we can do this by heading over to the Facebook application and clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. From here, scroll down slightly and select Settings and Privacy, and then from this list, click on Settings. Now, right at the top, you'll see Meta Accounts Center. Just click somewhere on this white space. Then come down underneath Account Settings and click on Password and Security. And beneath Security Checks, you'll see where you're logged in. Click on this. Then underneath Accounts, click on your Facebook profile. And from here, we're going to be able to see all of the places that we're currently logged into on our Facebook account. If you want to sign out of a particular device, then you can click on Select Devices to log out at the bottom, and just go ahead and select which devices you want to log out from, and then simply click on Log Out. And that's it, guys. That's how you check your logged in devices on Facebook. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.